Hello YouTube. Today I'll show you how you can create a Microsoft form, and from there that will feed in Power BI, and we will use our Power Automate help. So that will create a flow which will feed the data from the Microsoft Forms to Power BI. But then the one exception will be that you will need to have an approval from someone which you want to send those surveys or forms, and that person can approve or reject the survey, and they will get an email. So let's start doing this. So first, what you need to do is you need to go in Microsoft Forms, and obviously to create a form. For myself already I created a form. If you don't know how to create a form, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube, so you can just type a little bit on Google or YouTube, checking how you can create a form, but it's pretty simple. This is my form here, so you can see that there are a lot of different fields. But if you want to add a new field, you go to add new, then you choose you have a few options there: choice, text, rating, date, whatever you want to choose there, and a few more. Okay, so I won't go through this because it's time consuming and I want to save some time. So this form is already created. So we have the form now, and the next step is we go to Power Automate, which I have it open here, and then we go to templates. Obviously we get a template already created and we modify that. So it's Power BI, I can't remember the name, but it's something like that. Should pop up. Yeah, this one, basically. We choose the flow, and then you need to have all your connections ready. So should be green in here. If not, you need to go there and you need to, to make sure that you have your accounts there already, sign in and all those kind of things. You click continue. And then we basically go into the flow. So here, what we do, we pick up the form which we already created. Perfect. So when a new response is submitted in this form, okay, then we say get the response details from this form, customers, primary customers feedback. So get the list of responses, all of them, basically, we say, and then we say start an approval. So basically what we say, first to respond, so the first person which will respond, and we say let's put a title there. It's free to choose whatever you want. So let's say please approve the survey. Okay, and then we assign to a person. You can put an email, or you can put, I'll just put my name here. Yeah, and then if you want, you can add more details or a link, wherever you want. You can add a few more things there. I don't add anything because, yeah, those that are required, those that are optional. So I can say, yeah, this survey needs to be approved. Whatever you want to put there is free. Maybe you can add, on the item link description, you can put, let's say, the customer receipt, just to be easy to identify, the survey. Okay, and perfect. So we have this. So that's the start and approval. Once we finish with this step, we move to the next step. But before that, I need to show you something. Basically, in here, you need to have already created a workspace, a data set, and a table. So basically, where do you need to go is you need to go to Power BI Online, basically. There you need to create you have my workspace there, your space, and basically you create a data set, basically. That's you go to create, and I won't create it again because I have it already in here. So you create a data set, and once you have that data set created, you can go and you can say create report. Okay, so now you have the same, basically the same, the same design like in the in Power BI desktop. So once you are here, now you can create. I can see that my data is connected there with the survey. Okay, So now I go back to my flow, and here I can choose my workspace, and then I can choose my dataset, which I already created. Okay, and I choose my table basically, which is this one from here. You can see it in here. Okay, perfect. Once I have this created, now it's asking to match a few fields, just to make sure that you know that you get the right data. So customer receipt ID, then purchase date, that's the one. Feedback, I can say when I left, I can search actually. Not there, here. Left feedback, yes. Then shopping experience, I think this one is. Then the amount. Amount spent, stuff was nice. Yes. Then product purchased, and we go to this one is the same with that one. Okay, let's check again on this one. I think that one is this one. I hope I'm right. I know that one is this one. So that one is this one. You need to make sure that you label them in the same way, not like me now here, to mix them up. Yes, and then what device did you use, basically for purchasing. So this one, and product purchased, and let's see what's, oh yeah, I think I know. The amount, customer, did you find our product? Did you purchase? This one I think is the category, and this one, yeah, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I hope I'm not wrong. Okay, so that's how you feel, you know, to add the row in the data set. And then if this is not getting an approval, we say mail, let's say to send an email notification that this was rejected, and we say to who, and let's say we put there an email, should pop up my email, then I'll put my name, yeah, and we can say here this was rejected. Okay, and yeah, you can add some content there, so we can say this survey was rejected due to, and wherever you want to add there. Okay, so that's how you create the flow basically. And now we click save. The flow is ready. Let's test it. And we go to our form. Okay, we get the link, and then we copy the link on the new tab. Okay, so we have the form, yeah, and let's go to the flow and let's see if it's running. So yeah, perfect. And then we go here, and let's say we put the customer receipt, and then we put the date of the purchase. So let's say 06/06/2021. And then did you left feedback? Yes. And please rate us 5 stars. What amount did you spend? 43 euro. Let's say, was the stuff nice? And we can say yes. Then yeah, that's the category. Yeah. So for woman clothes and for men shoes. Then how many items did you purchase? 3. And you found all the products? Yes. What device did you use? Let's say phone. Okay. And we submit this. Now, basically, we should see that our flow is running. Okay, yeah, so we can see that it's running. So basically we need to go to the email, and I can see that there I got the email, please approve the survey. Okay, so I can see here the the approval, which I need to approve or reject. I'll say approve, I'll say submit. Okay, and then when I go here, should say successfully, completed because I approved. Okay, and now the data basically is going in Power BI. Let's have a look. Yeah, correct. So that's completed. But on Power BI, we don't have a dashboard yet. So we need to build a dashboard. So let's do a test actually. Okay. So basically, let's try to do a few quick charts there to see if this is working in real time. So let's say purchase date. Let's make it like a bar chart. Purchase date, and then let's say by amount. So we want to see the sales per the dates. I can see that I have a lot of sales on the last year, so maybe I will add a filter there for select all, and then I will remove and I will leave only 2021 dates, just to look a little bit nice. That's it. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. And then maybe we add another chart there, and you can see stuff was nice. Let's drag there, and let's make a pie chart because it will be yes and no. So let's give a count by the customer receipt number. Maybe I'll use something else. Did you find all the products? Maybe I'll use this one because there it's a mistake on the typing. So I can see that there. That's perfect. So now I can see, and I can see that it's a problem there. It's a sum, so I don't want the sum, so I want the count. I want to see the count, so I can see 2 and 24. Perfect. I'll have to do a little bit cleaning on those charts because they don't look really how I wanted. So for example, on this one, what I will do, maybe I will keep the labels, and then I like the labels actually, they're okay outside, yeah, but I have a problem with this here, so with the legend. So basically I will go and I will delete all this. I don't like that text there, it's taking a lot of space. Yes and no, perfect. And then instead of having that text there, I'll go and I will add a title. So I can say here, did you found all products? By that, perfect. So it looks okay to me. Now this one, the same thing. I will prefer to work on those axes and maybe to put a little bit, to one of them to take it out. Yeah, that one. I don't like that one. And yeah, the title as well for that one. So it should be a title there. Yeah, I don't want that. And then just because I took that out, I'll add the labels. I want to see the labels. Perfect. And on the other one, which I left at the x-axis, I will take out the title as well. Yeah, and then maybe the title. This one I will change the title, so I will say sales by date. Okay, perfect. 2 charts up to now, and let's make another 2 just to fill the space. Okay, let's see, devices used. Perfect, this one is a good one. Let's say this time we make a horizontal bar chart, and then we count by the customers. Okay, perfect. So I can see the categories there. I did also some typings in there, and then I'll remove those just because I don't like them to see. It's my bad. So I'll take this and this. Okay, and obviously here as well I'll add the labels just to look nice and presentable. Data label, and then remove this. Actually no, because I need the label. But I'll take out title. Take out the title, and then this looks okay. And then the other one. Yeah, that's perfect. I don't know. Yeah, perfect. So, and then the title as well, I'll just amend the title, and I will say devices used to do shopping. Perfect. And let's make another, maybe another pie chart. Feedback left. Yes or no. Perfect. And then customer. Okay. I'll take out the blanks. I don't want to see the blanks there. Perfect. And then I'll say that I want to see the count of the clients. Perfect. And then what I'll do, I'll add the, so the legend is there. I'll delete this like another one from above, and then I'll change the title, and I'll say feedback left and question. Perfect. So I have now let's say a dashboard. It's a quick dashboard, if I can call it like that. Okay, but let's do it. Let's do a test now to see if our flow is running. So let's say someone will just, you know, fill the form. Where is the form? Yeah, this one. Okay, so I'll submit another answer, another survey, and I'll say again 111. Let's say, and what's the date of the purchase? I'll say again 07/07 2021. And you left feedback, yes, rate us. Then what amount did you spend? 23 euro. The style was nice, yes. Beauty for women, and let's say kids for men. And then 3 items. And then did you find all the products? Let's say yes. And then what device did you use? Let's say phone. Okay, and let's submit. Answer left from the form. We go back to flows, and this should run now because the email is not approved yet. So this should show here running. That's how it should be correctly. If we did everything, yeah, perfect. So now when we go to the email, we should see there the email. Please approve the email. Okay. Yeah, we approve. Submit. And then this should be succeeded. Okay, succeeded, perfect. And now when we go to Power BI, I think it's this one. Yeah, so now when we go to Power BI and we click refresh, we should see here some changes. Yeah, we saw there, and here is 26, so it's a change there. And on the phone, yeah, we did a mistake here, so we can see that it's doing a sum there. So it's not good. So I'll go there and I'll say count. Perfect. So that's how we use Microsoft Forms with Power Automate and Power BI to get in real-time answers in our dashboard. I hope you like this kind of videos. If you like them, please comment wherever you want. You know, like, subscribe if you want. And if you want more videos like that, please let me know. Thank you.